I'm dreaming to see since I was a child.
The famous Emerald Coast of Sardinia.
With Totò's Italian brother.
Say, ayo!
I'm Vera. And this is Aldo.
Yay!
And this is our tiny home on wheels, Totò. We have been driving around the world for the past 4 years, visiting over 50 countries on 5 continents. Witnessing with our own eyes how beautiful, but at the same time how fragile our world is. Click on the subscribe button and join our adventure.
It's 8 a.m. Last night we remained to sleep here in this agriturismo about 30 minutes south of Olbia. We were invited by our friend, the same one that a few months ago actually advised us to go visit Sardinia. He came here for a quick holiday, so we couldn't miss the opportunity to meet again. And today we're gonna go and see a sport event I'm dreaming to see since I was a child. And we're gonna get there with Totò's Italian brother. We are at the Rally of Sardinia, the WRC official World Championship. And in a little bit, we're gonna see the first official teams passing by. Michelle!
Nonna Michelle! Del mondo.
After the busy day yesterday at the Rally of Sardinia, we decided to stay an extra night here in the Agriturismo Chicchiritanos in Monti. And this morning was actually a very beautiful day, so I decided to fly the drone. And I could go all over the property, all over the estate. They got thousands of cork trees that they go all over up to a hill, and then you can see a mountain in the distance. Then we could meet the owners. So La Signora Giovanna came and she showed us around all the rooms they got here. Actually very nice, simple, beautiful decor. This is really the perfect place to come and relax, surrounded by nature. Then we got to meet the son, and they showed us where they keep their animals, so the cows, the sheep. He kind of talked with the sheep. He got this way to get their attention. Ragazzi, qui le pecore rispondono. Sei! say, ayo! Ayo, say, ayo! Vera ha imparato a chiamare le pecore.
Say, ayo.
Prova a chiamarle io. Say, ayo! Quasi, bellissimo. A me ne ha risposto solo una. Ovviamente al padrone, tutte quante all'unisono in coro. Beh. Bellissimo. Questo è il toro, non so se si nota. Then there was another big surprise because, as I said before, they make everything themselves here. And so we got the chance to see where they make their cheese, where they produce the cheese, and where they store it the old-fashioned way. So not in walk-in fridges, but in a proper room that are dedicated to this purpose. And as soon as you enter, you were like immersed into this strong smell of cheese. It's something that if you're a cheese lover, you must really feel by yourself because it's something I cannot explain to you. It was the day when La Signora Giovanna was actually making the caciocavallo, the perette, another kind of cheese that they make here. She went through with us with all the process, step by step. They got the milk that was milked in the morning, and then it was heated up in another pot, different temperatures, how it was cutted and then remixed together, and she was doing everything all by hands. We were really lucky to try the cheese. It was still warm, completely saltless. It was something very special. Ragazzi, non potrebbe essere più fresco di questo, anzi più caldo, mamma mia. Complimenti, no, Giovanna. Buonissimo. Assaggiare, amore. Assaggia. Sì? Buono, eh?
Wow, freschissimo.
It's unfortunately now time to leave, but we are gonna take with us a lot of good memories. We got to sample the real pecorino from Sardinia, you know, the cheese famous worldwide, and also live a bit the life of the Sardinian in the countryside. Well, I got the feeling that we'll be back here one day. Chi sono questi due?
Sono più adorabili cagnolini di questo pianeta. Sì, sono più adorabili e dolci. Mamma, come siete adorabili, mamma, come hai fatto con me.
Ma tu ce la fai? Poco. Ok. È così caldo.
Vera, devi massaggiare così.
Prova.
Bravissimo.
Ci sei? No. Ok. Vieni.
Ti separo?
Sì? Sì. Vai.
Vedi che non è facile.
Giù. Spingi, non da bene. Spingi. Sì. Hai visto? Ah, è l'italiano! Oh.
Bellissimo. Amore.
Bravo di me.
Vai amore.
Guarda, oh.
Due contemporaneamente.
Io non ho mai visto così. No, la prima volta non ne parla mai nessuno, non ci riesce.
Incredibile. Come caldo, grazie piccolina.
A vostra salute.
Salute.
Wow.
seguendo su
Wow, è
YouTube.
buonissimo.
Ne vuoi ancora?
È
Ne vuoi ancora?
buonissimo, è caldo.
Ne vuoi ancora?
Sì, un poco. Wow, tu sei un mostro.
Mamma mia.
È cappuccino.
Alla spina.
Cappuccino.
Guarda questa. Wow, incredibile. Wow, sei bravissimo. Wow, io...
Pure io.
Wow, guarda qua.
Proteine.
Wow, è buonissimo.
Più naturale
È
così,
buonissimo.
hai visto?
È buonissimo. Pensavo che mi potrebbe dare fastidio, ma è
no.
buonissimo.
No, i latte di pecora no, latte di vacca magari, però latte di pecora no.
We are in the heart of Costa Smeralda, the famous Emerald Coast of Sardinia. Right now we are on the roof of an abandoned fortress here in Capo Orso. Orso in English means bear, and actually there is a rock formation that resembles the shape of a bear. Last night we stayed in Palau, a beautiful and quiet town, and witnessed a colorful sunset. Actually from there you can get 24/7 a ferry to get you to Archipelago de la Magdalena, which you can see behind me. Today it's a very hot and sunny day. This is a second t-shirt and it's a perfect occasion to go for a swim.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much
Guys, we are at Santa Teresa di Gallura. We can see the island of Corsica just behind us. It's quite tempting. So what do you think? Should we go there?
time. I can't find the point where our two
Prova, audio. E mi sono
Ma poi pubblicare anche questo con le
penso metterò qualche cosina, sì, se posso.
Sì, posso?
Ecco come Vera si guarda la Corsica, con i piedi al sole, asciugandosi i capelli, fresca. E là c'è la Corsica. Totò sta là, eccolo qua. Come si fa? Ecco qua, eccolo qua.